Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family of 7 doing big things in life on less. And tonight I have filmed for you a nighttime clean with me. So I normally clean during the day because I get really tired at night, but this particular week had been super crazy and I've had a really stressful day, and I myself suffer from anxiety, and so one of the things that I find really calming is I put my kids to bed and then I just do a nice slow clean with me. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. One of my biggest reasons I love minimalism and why minimalism works for me is because I find it very calming to come home to a house that doesn't have a lot of visual clutter. Visual clutter is something that causes me a lot of stress, particularly if it's mess. And so for me, cleaning things up, getting everything set back to zero, it's so freeing. So I hope you like it. If you guys have any questions, please chat to me in the comments. I absolutely love to hear from you. If you're new, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you. And I will catch you guys in the next one.
I was standing outside
This is after our dinner time, and it's daylight savings here at the moment, so it is like 7 o'clock at night, but it's still light outside for a little while. As you can see, there is junk on the floor and dishes everywhere. My little girl, Siri Grace, she is my little mini-me and she likes to follow me everywhere, so you'll see her pop in and out of this video just because she likes to be near me. But I'm just going to get started on the kitchen, wiping down Hamish's high chair, and he found a almost empty bottle of milk which he decided to spill on the floor. So I'm just wiping that up. Throughout the course of this video I go through about 6 cleaning cloths, so you'll see me walk out of frame a few times and I'm just taking things to the laundry because I like to wash out my cleaning cloths whenever I'm sort of moving from thing to thing.
You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were.
Now I am just organising all of our leftovers from that night, so freezing meals for other meals, and any extra rice. Whenever I cook rice, I cook way more than we need. That way I've got at least 1 or 2 extra for another meal, which I just put in a Ziploc bag in the freezer.
To the drums now, to the drums now. I follow your heartbeat to the ending of the ocean. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the drums now, to the drums now. I follow your heartbeat to the ending of the ocean.
So now what I'm doing is I'm just prepping the sink so that I can start washing dishes. And as you can see, what I like to do is try and move all of the mess into one area. It just makes it all seem that much more attainable if just the messy stuff's there and the rest of the benches are clear. Like I mentioned, I do struggle with anxiety, and visual clutter is a big issue for me. So when I'm cleaning, my goal is to just get everything back to simple, and keeping things as clear as possible is really helpful for me. So throughout this video, I like to listen to some calming music and I just take my time. We'd had a crazy week this week, and so I'd done a lot of surface cleanings or just getting dishes done, but this particular night was a Friday night and I really wanted to get everything deep cleaned so it was all back ready to how we like it, and also just allow myself that calming time to get everything reset.
If I let it go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself, this can't be farewell. I've got to at least try. If I follow, will you turn the ship around?
So now I'm just going through the school bags. Every Friday I wash all of our lunch bags, and I just chuck them in the washing machine, but I'm just tidying up our dining room and the lounge room.
Just another night, just another fight. Will it be alright? 'Cause now you're out of sight. Gotta get over myself, the drinks they don't help. I've got to at least try. I'm breaking up inside, got to swallow my pride. If I follow, will it turn the ship around? If I follow, if I let it go, will it leave me here to drown? Gotta get over myself.
So I had just let the pot from my crock pot soak, and also the rice cooker, and now I'm just coming back and washing them up now that everything's soaked up.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me.
So now I'm just wiping everything up and getting it all put away.
I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight?
Now Siri and I are just tidying up the living room. As you can see, kids have been playing out here, and I've got some washing drying inside, so we're just getting everything picked up. I try and do this every night before I go to bed. It just makes it so much calmer to come out in the morning without everything out. And I'm just running my robot on my mat.
Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
Kiri absolutely loves the steam mop, so she wanted to have a little turn before I got started, so she's done a great job.
Like you and me all night, and let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright, and let's talk about more. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need.
So now I'm just going to steam mop all out here. These floors, they can get really sticky very quickly, so I just like to give them a quick steam mop when I'm doing a deep clean. It just leaves everything feeling really fresh. And it wouldn't be a clean with me if I did not show you everything fresh and clean and ready for the new day. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and I hope to catch you in the next one.